Hello again, everyone. If we start off by taking a look at the circulation pattern over the country for today, we see a broad trough over the western parts of the country. The importance of this system is that it's helping to pull in moisture along the western coastline where we've had some fog to start off the day. And this is also resulting in very moist air being drawn in from the Indian Ocean towards the south coast. And that's going to bring a few drops of rain to the area at first. And then into this evening, we are expecting the rain to return once again. Over the interior, it's going to be a partly cloudy and very hot afternoon. There will be thunderstorms redeveloping once again for many places as indicated on the synoptic analysis. And we can see exactly where the rain is in the forecast for today on the rainfall map. Isolated thunder showers extending from west of Uppington all the way through to the border between Gauteng and the Free State as well as in Mpumalanga, and isolated to scattered thunder showers into much of the Eastern Cape. Port Elizabeth, a 60% chance of thunderstorms for the rest of your day. Let's move ahead to the alerts, and there is a warning for a high fire danger over the far western parts, including some areas along the Atlantic coastline. And there is a watch in place for the possibility that severe thunderstorms could develop today for some areas inland over the Eastern Cape. And finally, there is a special weather advisory for the persistence of a heat wave in the northwest as well as the Free State that continues into tomorrow. Here's your detailed city forecast, and we see that the temperatures remain high all across the northern parts. Once again, mostly dry weather, but there could be a few thunder showers in the northwest, including Mahikeng. Similar conditions for the Free State as well as extending down into the Eastern Cape interior, mid-30s in the forecast for that province. Along the coastline, it's going to be a hot and sticky day once again. Northeasterly winds becoming moderate to fresh at times this afternoon for Durban and Richards Bay. The southern interior sees temperatures climbing into the upper 30s, 40 degrees for Oudtshoorn, but hopefully a few thunder showers affecting the Karoo this afternoon. And along the south coast, some rain in the forecast for this area, perhaps even a few thunderstorms in places, and swells remaining steady at 2 meters. Let's move ahead to the Northern Cape. Thunder showers once again for this province, very hot for the region, 32 degrees for Springbok, Calvinia dry at 37. And along the western coastline, we see Langebaan and Cape Town getting above the 30-degree mark once again for today, and we still have a 2-meter southwesterly swell. Friday brings more thunderstorms to the central and western interior of the country, and we are expecting some light rain for George with a maximum of only 22.